If your corset cup has ever come out too flat, too big, or not lifting well, you are not the problem, but your calculation is the problem. Now, in this series 2, let me show you the formula that fits full cup, half cup, and sweetheart cup perfectly. Most tailors draft cup by guessing or copying. That is why the shape collapses or doesn't fit or lift. This method I'm about to show you works for any bust size, gives a sharper lift and removes trial and error completely. To draft any type of corset cup professionally, you need these measurements, and if you miss just one of these measurements, your cup will come out badly. Number 1, you need your bust circumference. Number 2, you need your under bust circumference. Number 3, you need your shoulder to bust. And 4, you need your shoulder to under bust measurement. And lastly, you need your nipple to nipple measurement. For this tutorial, our bust circumference is 38 and our under bust circumference is 32. Our shoulder to bust is 10 and a half. Our shoulder to under bust is 14 and a half. And our nipple to nipple measurement is 8 inches. Now I will show you things to calculate, and this is where most people get it wrong, so make sure you pay keen attention. Number 1, you are going to need bust and under bust circumference difference. Therefore, you are going to minus your under bust circumference from your bust circumference. So my bust circumference is 38 minus 32. So that will give me 6 inches. And for the number 2, you will need your bust to under bust. And to get this, you are going to minus shoulder to bust from shoulder to under bust. So my shoulder to under bust is 14 and a half. Let me rewrite this. My shoulder to under bust is 14 and a half minus 10 and a half. That will give me 4 inches. I advise you not to skip because we are getting to most aiding calculation. And number 3, you need your nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. Our nipple to nipple measurement is 8. So nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. So which means 8 divided by 2, that will give us 4. For number 4, we are going to need, number 4 calculation is lines above bust line. And to get this, you are going to divide bust and under bust circumference difference by 8. Already this is our bust and under bust circumference difference, which is 6. So 6 divided by 8, that will give us half quarter. This number 5 step is small, but it is what creates the lift. Number 5, we are going to need line below bust line. And to get this, we are going to divide bust and under bust circumference difference by 6. This is our bust and under bust circumference difference, 6 inches. So it means you are going to divide 6 by 6. Whatever your result is, you are going to divide it by 6, and that will give us 1 inch. Now listen to this number 6 because it is what most tailors didn't get answer to, therefore they guess. This will save you from guessing. For the number 6, we are going to determine our upper bust dart. And to get the upper bust dart, you are going to divide your bust and under bust circumference difference by 4 inches. So which means 6 divided by 4. That will give us 1.5. So that will give us 1.5. So that is it. And lastly, which is number 7, is our under bust dart. And to get your under bust dart, you are going to divide bust and under bust circumference difference by 3. So 6 divided by 3, that will give us 2 inches. In our next series, I'm going to teach you how to use this formula to draft 3 types of cups. which you can see on your screen. I'm going to teach you how to use this formula or calculation to draft your full corset cup, half corset cup, and sweetheart corset cup. Just make sure you watch all the series for you to master your corset cup perfectly, and see you in the next series.